Hi everyone, it's Greg's Kitchen time once again, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a very simple Nutella chocolate mousse. Now this mousse only contains 3 ingredients. What you'll need is 300 ml of whipping cream, 100 grams of dark melting chocolate, and some Nutella. Except I'm using Nutella's poor cousin, Nutino. Isn't that a cute little chipmunk? Or is that a squirrel? Who knows? All I know is it's something that loves nuts. Much like you guys out there. You love watching this nut. This recipe is so easy to make. You'll also need like a couple of bowls, one of these things, and a mixer. Yeah! What the? Hang on a sec. Hang on, what? There we go. Okay, now how do you turn it off? And you'll also need a bowl with some water in it. So I need to put that on the stove and turn the heat up, and I want to get that boiling. I'll whack this bowl on top too. And for this we're using 100 grams of the dark chocolate, which just so happens to be half this block because this block's 200 grams. So I'll snap it in half. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows worth. And we'll get this out. I don't know, where's this open? Now make sure that this bowl isn't touching the water because that's what the instructions said. Now we just need to snap these into its little pieces into the bowl. And we need that to start melting. So now that water's boiling, this should start melting. Melt, my pretties. Melt. Okay, well it's melted already. That didn't take long. And now what I need to do is just take this off and put it aside to cool down a little bit. And while that's cooling down, let's start whipping the cream and fold it in the fake Nutella. So, into the bowl, we add the whole jar, which is the 300 ml of this cream. What? And now we just need to start whipping this cream until it forms those lovely peaks. Bit like that. And now we grab our Nutella, be it real or fake, and we need 165 grams of this. Now this is 220 grams, so I'm guessing it'd be about that much. So I'll just plonk it in sections around here. I'll move this here and use this to scrape that off because that's the way my brain thinks. Or I could have just wiped it on the side of the bowl like this. Who knows? And now we just grab our mixer again and we start mixing this through. Just until it's blended. Shake that off. Now we grab our chocolate that's slightly cooled down now and we just introduce this into the mix. And we just need to fold this through. Just like letting it marble, not mixing it too well because we want those streaks of chocolate just to sort of marble through it. That should do. Now grab whatever bowls you're going to be using. I've got these glasses here, and somehow we need to add this mix into the glass. Well, doesn't that look average? And now I'll just grab the grater and a bit more chocolate, and I'll just finish this off by grating some chocolate over the top. Try not to grate your knuckles while you're doing this, because that'd hurt. And there you have it. A super simple, easy chocolate Nutella mousse. Just take a look at that. I mean, how easy was it? This is something even the kids could whip up, I reckon. Anyway, let's see what it tastes like. Oh, look at that. So thick. So creamy. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh wow, oh man, holy cow. It's got that beautiful flavour of Nutella in there. The cream is just so nice and sweet. It's got a beautiful sweet chocolatey taste. It is rich. It's like Warren Buffett's wallet. And that dark chocolate that I folded through has solidified inside, so you get veins of it running through it as well. Wow, this is awesome. Woo-wee. You might want to do smaller bowls than this, because I tell you what, 4 spoons into it, and I'm on a sugar high right now. But if you like Nutella, you like chocolate, and you like things creamy, you're gonna love this. So make sure you give it a go, and if you do, I want you to let me know down below how it turned out. Are you enjoying it as much as I am? I tell you what, if you're not, then you mustn't have a heartbeat, because seriously. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a comment, because I really do love reading them all. Show this video some thumb and love, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe right here on Greg's Kitchen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.